Ah, Crystal, my dear. So tell me, what did you find at Discovery Falls?
She found me. I am Quan Ata Lachu, first spirit born, 1 star of 8.
Are you a Krazoa?
The Krazoa, they worship us. Their thoughts reside with us in each shrine. It is they that test you.
Who are the Krazoa?
I'm not quite sure. I found some records of an ancient civilization from before the time of the dinosaurs.
Shh! I am the first. There are 7 more that you must bring to this place.
Why should we do what you say?
It is only by the will of life that the spirit can bring peace. You will find us all. We must continue. Take me into the chamber.